In today's video, I'll teach you how to make audio call on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to call on Facebook, you actually need to have the Messenger application. Messenger is the official messaging application of Facebook. So what you have to do is tap on the message icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. If you have installed and logged into the Messenger app, you'll directly be redirected to the Messenger. From here, you'll be able to make the call. If not, what you have to do is simply install the Messenger application from Play Store or App Store. After you do that, tap on the chat in which you want to make the audio call. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find various icons. Tap on the call icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you've just called this person. So that is how you make audio call on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.